Hello, just a very quick update. A lot of my videos run very long, so let's just make this super quick. So, jumping back into Trello again, I've made a few bits of progress here. I've added some new columns. So, we have our yearly goals, ideas, which feel free to add ideas. That's always good. To do items, nothing has changed really here. Blocked, build out of build out designs on WordPress. So what I really need here is login details to your WordPress account, your server, so I can kind of start implementing some of these designs. That would be great. Um, Doing product UI design. So here I have got some login details that you sent me to the app, and I've added some screenshots and a to-do list of things that I kind of want to tackle. So this is the first screenshot. It's very blank. Things I want to tackle is updating this header, making things more space efficient, losing some of the cryptic icons that we've got here, thinking about the navigation and all things like that. So I can move forward with that tile. Any further information you've got, that would be great. But really, it's this tile over here that I want to kind of chase you on. The main progress I've made over the last week is this tile. So it's refined app icon and login details. And if we scroll down, we have this comment here, looking at your existing icons that you've got here, some design options that I've worked on. Specifically, me personally, I quite like this icon. Um, it's very simple and very flat, but I just think it's nice. I think it's modern. Where the other option here, well, we've got numerous options. The other option here is something way more textured and 3D. And I also think that works, but it depends what your personal tastes are. Here are some more context in terms of what the icon looks like in more context. So this is obviously the dock. This is the rounded one, the flat one, the 3D one. So that's all cool. You get to see what I keep in my dock and how those icons look, what they look like alongside other apps. And this is the app switcher. So for example here we've got your app switcher and your existing icon here. Like how does that look and what should we do? So with the 3D icon, the rounded icon, the flat icon. So moving forward, one of those things is why it's important. It's say we go to an app store and want to find search call center software or whatever your search terms are. A lot of the time people pick things because they're pretty, and I think in an app store or a Google search, when they see a nice icon, they're probably going to think you're well established within your industry. So other things also is the login page or the sign up page, how does that icon look and does it look smart? So this is a white version or a light version where we've got the pattern that we have in some of our web designs and a similar form elements where we're moving a lot of the borders and a lot of the chrome. You click on this item and the placeholder text, password or username animates or floats to the top, and therefore you put in your details, and then we've got your primary button color and styles with the blue button and the rounded corners. So that that looks better than your existing login page, which looks something like this, which is a little bit bland, and maybe a little bit old school. And then we have our other option, which is like a lot brighter. Um, I really like the look of this. I think that kind of warm red color and the kind of light orange color is very distinctive. So I quite like this design. So that's something for you to think about. Like, please come back to me on this tile with those developments. The next thing I will be working on is um, looking at this screenshot that we've got here, which doesn't show a lot, but it shows enough to like lay out the navigation, lay out this top bar, and how should that look and work. Um, so I've added this card here in the column in review. So like that's really pushing back on you to like leave a comment here, let me know what you think. And I think that's it for now. But yeah, I look forward to catching up soon.